Hi traders, welcome to my live trade video. Okay, this is the trade I've entered on the US dollar. Okay, this trade is being copied over to all users of my trade copier service. Okay, so do note that this usually for a trade copier service I enter the euro dollar only. Okay, because of the trading opportunity, there's not many trading opportunity on US dollar, US dollar. So far, I've decided to enter US dollar trade for user of my trade copier service. Okay, and because of volatility, I see the price here make very big movement here, and there's a very strong support here. In fact, it has moved down about 11 pips in our favor and have started to shift it to break even. Okay, this is to secure the account in case of volatility. Later, he just bounce back. However, if this trade is being stopped out at break even, I'll enter another similar trade. Okay, it means that let's say for example, it move higher up, I enter a similar trade. It gives us better advantage. Okay, but don't do that if you're not experienced, because I know what I'm doing. Okay, and that's why I dare to do this. Okay, so that's so far this is what I can show you at the moment. Okay, because we do not know how long the trade takes to hit our stop loss or break or our target profit. Okay, the target profit is at the bottom here. Okay, so okay, I'll record to for you guys later on to show you the updates of this trade. Okay, I'll talk to you again. Hi traders, welcome to the live trade video. Okay, basically right, this trade is a continuation from a previous video, and this is a trade I've entered for user of my trade copier service. It's a $1 trade. Okay, and just now right, if you still remember, I actually the price moved about 10 pips for from previous video. I actually shift the stop loss to break even to protect because of high volatility of the market. Actually, the price actually moved back to trigger my stop loss, and I immediately enter another trade. And now the trade is moving here. Okay, and this is the profit at the moment. Okay, it has moved down about 15 to 20 pips. Okay, so if you take a look right, it has moved down about is 885. The lowest it has went is 885. Okay, 885 985 085 is about 22. Okay, I'll update you guys the outcome of this trade later on. Okay, and that's all I have for you at the moment. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my live trade video. Okay, the trade that I show you guys right on the pound US dollar end up to be winning trades. Okay, as you can see here, the red line here, I probably will last trade here. This red line here is where I entered the trade. This is my stop loss. This is my target profit. In fact, the price right after I entered, it went very close to where my stop loss is. My stop loss is here. The price went up to here. Okay, and started to move all the way down. Okay, this trade has high confidence because when the price retraces back, right, it actually hits the 0.618 resistance level, which is at that point in confluence with a major swing here. You can see this is the swing. Okay, and this is another resistance level that goes together with the 0.618 fib. Okay, and this is forming a very strong resistance level, and that's why the price started to crumble down. I take profit here at the 1.618 extension here. Okay, this red line here is where we take out the profits, and the trade end up with a $5,000 win. Okay, and do note that this trade is being copied over to all users of my trade copier service. That means if you go and take a look at the platform, you're winning money also. Okay, so okay, I just want to show you guys the trade that I've taken so far this month for the trade copier service. Okay, at 1 2 3 4 5 6 trade here. Okay, and out of this 6 trade, right, the bottom 3 trade, right, is actually the same trade. Why I say that is because you see here, this trade here is on the pound US dollar, pound US dollar, pound US dollar. Okay, because of volatility, because when I enter this trade, right, the price actually moved down by about 10 to 12, and I immediately shift to break even. You can see that the stop loss that is being triggered is actually the price, the point where I enter. Okay, you can see that. Okay, however, because the price moved down very fast, okay, I immediately shift it to break even. Theoretically, I usually do it at 25 to 30 pips, and this situation that whereby I shift it to break even, right, earlier is a very unique case because of the high volatility of the market. Okay, this is to protect my account as well as the account of all the users who actually believe in me and use my service. Okay, because sometimes, right, when the market is so volatile, you will find that it moves down fast, but you have a very high spike. The spike will then hit the stop loss sometime. That's why once it moves about 12-13 pips, I move to break even, and it moves back to trigger the break even stop loss. That's why we don't lose any money. You can see in the process we don't lose any money. Then after that, I look for an opportunity to enter again on the same trade. Okay, and it again moved down about 12-13 pips, and immediately I shift it to break even again. But the price moved back to trigger the stop loss again, break even stop loss, end up 0 loss, you can see, and I look for an opportunity to enter again. Okay, but this time when I enter, the price actually moved up and get very close to our so-called stop loss, but I have high confidence in the trade because of the strong resistance here, which is the confluence between the major swing plus this Fibonacci level. Okay, and then the price started to move down, and hit our target profit of 50 pips, and this trade make a 50 pips profits, as you can see here, which is the $5,000 here. Okay, so far for this month, right? Okay, break-even trade. There's 4 break-even trade, one minor profits. This trade I entered slightly early, a little bit with some profit. I exited because I find that it has a very strong support, which I think it can break through the market. That's why I exited slightly earlier, and true enough, the price actually move over in the opposite direction. Okay, so but however, this month is still a profitable month, and we're just beginning. Today is it's only the 10th of July. Okay, so we're still profitable. So looking forward to more trades. Okay, that's basically how I trade, because I emphasize a lot on protecting the account. Okay, because I'm not just accountable for myself, I'm accountable for every single one of you who are using my trade copier service. This money that I put inside is your hard-earned money. Okay, and it's my responsibility to actually protect it. Okay, as much as I can. Okay, as well as I will try my best to produce you profit. Okay, and if you are a user of my trade copier service, you know, for so many months we are making profits every single month so far. It's just a matter how much the percentage. Sometimes 30%, sometimes 15%, sometimes 7%. Okay, but overall we are making money every single month, and that's what I intend to do. Okay, so for those of you who are taking the course right and using this service, work hard on what I teach you. Practice and practice. Once you are able to trade for yourself, you don't need this service anymore. Okay, I still believe that it's best that you trade your own money. Okay, because it'll be good for you. You can't rely on me forever, because one such day I decided not to trade for you guys, and you're used to making this income from me. Then how are you going to live? Okay, and that's not the right way. Okay, it's always best that you know how to trade for yourself. Then you have a so-called long-term skill of making money forever, and this skill can be passed on to a son, your daughter. Okay, and they don't have to work for people again. Okay, and that's the primary reason why I decided to go into trading. I just don't want my son to live their life like any other people, have to wake up so early, work, come back home, sleep, tomorrow go to work again, and went through this cycle. Okay, I just want him to live a life with freedom, and decided to go into this skill, because once I acquire this skill, right, I could actually teach it to him, and he again forever don't have to work for anyone. So I hope that you guys do the same thing. Okay, learn it, practice it, master it, and you can have a skill that you can pass on. Okay, so so far this is all I have for you guys. Okay, this is the trade on the 8th of July, a profitable trade. Okay, I'll update you guys again with more live trade video. Okay, I'll talk to you again.